Is your Samsung TV turning on but showing nothing except a black screen? Don't worry. This is called the black screen of death, and in this video, I'll show you quick and easy solutions to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Power cycle the TV first. Perform a simple power cycle. Unplug your Samsung TV from the wall socket. Wait for at least 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. Press the power button, and check if the display comes back. Sometimes, this simple reset solves the black screen issue. Step 2. Check cable connections. Loose or faulty cables can also cause the black screen. Make sure the HDMI, power, and input cables are connected securely. If possible, try using another HDMI cable or switching the port. Many times, the problem is just a bad connection. Step 3. Backlight test. To check if your TV's backlight is working, turn on the TV and shine a flashlight closely on the screen. If you can see a faint image, it means your TV's backlight is faulty. In this case, you may need a professional repair. But don't worry, try the next steps before calling a technician. Step 4. Reset picture settings. Grab your Samsung remote. Press Menu, Settings, Picture, Reset Picture. This will restore your display settings to default and often fixes the black screen problem caused by incorrect picture settings. Step 5. Factory reset. If nothing works, perform a factory reset. Go to Settings, Support, Self-Diagnosis, Reset. Enter your PIN. Default is 0000. Remember, this will erase all your custom settings, but it's one of the most effective fixes for the black screen of death. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your Samsung TV's black screen problem. If it still doesn't work, contacting Samsung support or a repair technician is your best option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more TV fixes.